Hi guys! So for today's video, we are going to simplify the following. Okay, so we have here square root of 8. Kung mapapansin ninyo, ito ay hindi perfect square. That's why ang gagawin natin to simplify is to find for the factors of 8 kung saan yung isa dun sa mga factor ay considered number that is a perfect square. Okay, ano-ano ba yung mga numbers na considered perfect square? We have 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Ano pa? We have 64, 81, 100, and marami pa. Okay? Etong mga klase ng number na to, ang square root nila ay exact. Kunyari, square root of 4, we have 2. Square root of 9, we have 3. Square root of 36, we have 6. Square root of 100, we have 10. So, exact yung makukuha nating square root. Okay, let's have this one. Square root of 8. Alin kaya dito yung factor ni 8? Obviously, we have 4. So, we are going to have square root of 4 times 2. Bakit? 4 times 2 is 8. Okay, now, since we know na may square root yung 4, ano yung square root ng 4? 2, we will write it outside. Pero may maiiwan pa sa loob ng square root na 2. So, that's why you will have here 2 square root of 2. Okay, how about number 2? We have square root of 13. May factor ba dito si square root of 13? Obviously, wala, di ba? Kasi ito ay prime. Okay? So, still lang siya as square root of 13. Pag hindi na kayang i-simplify, siya na yun. Okay? How about square root of 27? Sige nga. Alin dito yung factor ni square root of 27? We have, that's right, 9. Kasi 9 times ilan? Times 3 is 27. Now, since we know that square root of 9 is how many? 3, you write 3 outside. So, ang maiiwan na lang sa loob, etong 3. Kasi square root of 3 is what? Wala siyang square root na exact. So, you will have square root of 3 inside the radical sign. Okay? Now, your answer will be 3 square root of 3. How about square root of 50? Meron, di ba? Anong factor niya dito? We have 25. So, we have the square root of 25 times how many para maging 50? 2. Diba? 25 times 2 is 50. Pero we know that square root of 25 is 5. Okay? May iiwan sa loob si square root of 2. Okay? So, how about square root of 12? Ano ang factors ni 12? We have 4. Tama? 4 times 3. Kasi 4 times 3 is 12. Now, what is the square root of 4? We have 2. May iiwan si 3 sa loob ng radical sign. Okay? Now, you try. What will be square root of 18? Simplify this one. Okay? Don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!